Commencer.
means to begin or to start. In this video, we will learn the verb to begin or to start in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in our earlier videos. But there is a slight variation. Here, we will apply the same rule that we learned for the verbs with GER endings. We change C to C with a cedilla in the first person plural form. We do this in order to keep the sound of C softer. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I begin.
Je commence.
You begin in formal way.
Tu commences.
He begins masculine.
Il commence.
She begins feminine.
Elle commence.
We begin, or one begins, in formal way.
On avance.
We begin, formal way.
Nous commençons.
You begin, formal way.
Vous commencez.
They begin, group of males or mixed people.
Il commence.
They begin, group of only females.
Elle commence.
It is an action verb, indicating the initiation of an action, or the starting point of something. This versatile verb is used to indicate the starting point of various actions, events, or processes. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I begin a new project.
Je commence un nouveau projet. Je commence un nouveau projet.
You begin to learn French.
Tu commences à apprendre le français. Tu commences à apprendre le français.
He begins his work early in the morning.
Il commence son travail tôt le matin. Il commence son travail tôt le matin.
She begins to read an interesting book.
Elle commence à lire un livre intéressant. Elle commence à lire un livre intéressant.
We start a new chapter.
On commence un nouveau chapitre. On commence un nouveau chapitre.
We begin a new week.
Nous commençons une nouvelle semaine. Nous commençons une nouvelle semaine.
You begin to understand the lesson.
Vous commencez à comprendre la leçon. Vous commencez à comprendre la leçon.
They begin to prepare dinner.
Il commence à préparer le dîner. Il commence à préparer le dîner.
They begin their day with coffee.
Elles commencent leur journée avec du café. Elles commencent leur journée avec du café.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I begin.
Je commence.
You begin.
Tu commences.
He begins.
Il commence.
She begins.
Elle commence.
We begin, or one begins.
On avance.
We begin.
Nous commençons.
You begin.
Vous commencez.
They begin.
Il commence.
They begin.
Elle commence.
Some other verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. In subsequent lessons, we will learn new verbs from the different group. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.